Hey guys, what's up and welcome to the Phil Studio. Today is a great day because I'll present to you one of my latest electronic projects I've been working on for a while now. Don't be intimidated by this funky portal gun's appearance gadget. This is simply a great device. Today I'll explain to you the main function of this gadget and we'll get a closer look at it. Do not worry, in the next part of this video I'll go further into the details and yep, I'll open the box for you guys. And if you're good and throw a load of like on this video, well, maybe I'll show schematic and share the Arduino code with you. For now, let's have a closer look at this beauty. Okay, so here it is, the gadget is on the bench. I'll cover the dimensions of the acrylic casing, which is the main part of this project, the enclosure. It is 7-inch long by 5-inch wide and 2.5-inch high. If you plan on building this project, I highly recommend you stick with these dimensions or you go for something a little bit bigger, because you will see inside this project that the electronic is pretty much jam-packed in there. I'll show you in another episode all the electronic inside the device. And what about the crystal clear dome here? This is simply a security camera dome I could scavenge in the trash, and it gives a cool look, and it also protects the LCD under. We also have this little handle here to ease the grip of the project. This is simply a code scanner gun. I scavenged in the trash again. I cut it flat so it just fit nicely under the casing. You can see there is some hot glue under, but it's just to seal the casing, and it's screwed in the acrylic casing. That's pretty much for the physical aspect of the project. Under, I recently added this connector, and this is to charge the NiMH battery. We have the main power switch here to power all the electronic inside, and this switch here is to power only the 4 gas sensor, which are pretty hungry in terms of power. They consume around 3 to 400 milliamp, which is a lot, so it's optional to have them always on with this switch. We have the digital thermometer here. It's a little LCD, and you can see the probe is fixed on the front of the project, so it just gives you a better reading of the temperature. I decided to house the 4 gas sensor on the front and the side of the casing. This was due to the limited space inside the housing. Also, there is 2 little Hall effect sensor, which are there to detect magnetic field, such as a magnet. And you have 2 LED there. They are bipolar LED. They are green, and when a magnetic field is detected by one of these Hall effect sensor, they will become red. So I'll just power it up so you can see. Now we have a little loading sensor on the screen. It's just a little code I made for fun to show like the sensor are loading, but nothing is really happening when you power it up. Now we can see the temperature, 31.9 degrees Celsius, which is really hot in there. The switch, you can see that there is a red LED inside the casing to show that the gas sensor are powered up. They need to heat a little bit before they can read an accurate value. So you can see there is a CO sensor, a dust sensor, a butane sensor, and an alcohol sensor. They are not really calibrated at the moment, but this is something I plan on doing a little bit later. And with the help of this strong magnet, I'm gonna show you how the all effect sensor are detecting. So you can see the red LED turn on right on the board of the all effect sensor, but also the red LED turned on the right side of the casing. And it's the same for the right one. When it detects, it becomes red. And when everything's normal, come back to green. So I hope you enjoyed the showcase of this project. In the next episode, I'm going to open the box for you and show the mess of wire I have in there. So thanks to everyone for watching. Have a nice day.